warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. The Honorable Mrs. Novi Hasanah and Mrs. Mahkota Delpi, who was an English teacher, and my dear friends. First, let's say Basmalah before we start our discussion. Okay, we are from Group 4. We will bring you the result of our discussion on the theme MSME Magelang City. Let me introduce the member of our groups. Ririn Syahbrina, Nurul Fadila, Muhammad Ilham Pramudia, Romaito Daulay, Muhammad Syadik Amimi, Esa Afriza Triani, and Liwa Nisa Happy. The first subject will be explained by Esa. To Esa, the time is yours.
Okay, thanks moderator. Meaning of MSME. UMKM, Usaha Mikro Kecil Menengah or MSME, are business run by individuals, households, or small business entities. The classification of MSME is usually carried out with limits on turnover per year, the amount of wealth or assets, and the number of employees. MSME consists of three types of business, namely micro, small, and medium enterprise. These are seen as a reliable sector in facing the economic crisis. This is proven when a crisis occurs. Economy in 1998, MSME still exists while big business many have gone out of business. Indonesia Economic and Small Medium Enterprise Outlook 2011. In addition, MSMEs are a support for growth and national economy and have a direct impact on economic growth developed or developing countries. There is an increase in the productivity of MSMEs. Then the growth of MSMEs can be increased so that they can contribute to economic growth. Thanks.
Okay, thanks to Esa. The next subject will be explained by Muhammad Ilham Pramudia. To Ilham, the time is yours.
Thanks, Moderator. There are at least three reasons that underlie the state developing lately views the importance of the existence of MSME, Berry et al. 2001. The first reason is because the performance of tends to be better in terms of producing a productive workforce. The second, as part of its dynamics, MSME often achieve improvement productivity through investment and technological change. The third, MSME often believed to in terms of flexibility over effort large. Kunchoro 2000 also mentions that small business and home business stores in Indonesia have played an important role in absorbing energy work, increase the number of business units, and support home income ladder. I will back to moderator.
The next subject will be explained by Liwa. To Liwa, the time is yours.
Okay, thanks, moderator. In this pandemic situation, according to the Kemenkop UKM 2020, there are around 37,000 MSME who reported that they were severely affected seriously with this pandemic, marked by around 56% reported a decline in sales, 22% reported problem with aspect of financing, 15% reported on good distribution problem, and 4% reported difficult in obtaining raw material. The problem above are also more with spread of they are associated with the existence of large-scale social restriction PSBB policies implemented in several regions in Indonesia, referring to the Minister of Health number 9 2020 concerning PSBB, Great Alliance for the Acceleration of Handling COVID-19. PSBB includes restriction on certain activity of residents in areas suspect of being infected with COVID-19, including restriction against the movement of people and or goods for one province or certain district or cities to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Okay, thanks.
Thanks to Liwa. The next subject will explain this by Sadik. To Sadik, the time is yours.
Thanks to the moderator. Magelang City in 2019 had 6,637 MSME consisting of trade sector, service sector, and industry with a total turnover per month and amount of 52 billion 956 million 934,215 rupiah. It can be seen that North Magelang district has the number of MSME business actor is 1,505 with a monthly turnover of 7 billion 957 million 292,215. Central Magelang has number of SME business actor of 2,747 with a monthly turnover of 18 billion 304 million 332,000 rupiah. South Magelang has the number of business actor is 2,385 SMEs with total monthly turnover of 26 billion 695 million 310,000 rupiah. So that the total number of MSMEs business actor Indonesia is obtained Magelang City 6,637 with a total monthly turnover of 52 billion 956 million 935,215 rupiah. Back to the moderator.
Okay, thanks to Sadik. Next slide. Okay, can be seen from the result of the pre-survey in the month of July 2020 with a sample of 34 respondents from each sub-district Magelang City showed that 85.7% experienced a decrease in turnover due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Meanwhile, only 14.3% or 2 of 34 respondents didn't experience a decline in turnover due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Besides a decrease in capital during the COVID-19 pandemic in Magelang City also happened decrease in sales turnover in MSME. The word good with the aim of making a profit or income. Sales turnover means the amount of income or profit earned from the sale of goods service. The next subject will explain by Roma. To Roma, the time is yours.
Thanks, moderator. Magelang City MSME after pandemic. Decline of the current Panjapa Culinary Center Association said that the impact of the coronavirus was the money traders took advantage of by not selling, considering the level of fishes had dropped dramatically. During the it still water, about 15% to show from a total of about 71 traders. At night is often quicker because those who saw only 20 to 30% of the total 71 traders research. The head of the current Panjava Culinary Center Association explained, foreign costs not social because their income earned is less than expenditure. There are also two who still survive because they really depend his life in this turn Panjava. We hope that this pandemic will soon be end so that buying and selling activities can return to normal, finance and profit again. Back to moderator.
Thanks to Romaito. The next subject will explain by Ririn. To Ririn, the time is yours.
Thanks, moderator. How does capital labor length of business affect the COVID-19 pandemic? And visitor or buyers together to revenues SMEs in Magelang City. During the COVID-19 pandemic, restriction on visitor or buyers on sectors, restaurant, exhibition, and other in Magelang City, caused and decrease in the income of SMEs in Magelang City in 2020. This happens because the number of buyers or visitors is decreasing, cause the production of goods need to take longer to run out, which usually runs out in 3 days, becomes depleted within 1 week. This is clearly very influential on the income received by SMEs in Magelang City. This is happening because the average business capital owned by SMEs in Magelang City is privately owned capital. So when income decreases, then capital money is asked to cover daily needs or other organs needs that cannot be covered from higher income from the business carried out. Back to moderator.
Thanks to Ririn. The last subject will be explained by Esa. Esa, the time is yours.
Okay, thanks, moderator. The role and function of MSMEs for economic conditions. 1. Opening jobs, encouraging a more equitable economic condition, increase foreign exchange, stimulating the economy in critical situations, and the last, accurately meet community needs. Back to moderator.
Okay, thanks to Esa. That was the result of our discussion. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.